Thank you, Fred. Congratulations, Professor Mohammed. Moving on with the awards, we're going to present the Best Paper Award, a bit of history as well. This has been given in previous ISARCs as well. If you check this QR code, it will take you to the IARC website where you can see the list of the previous awardees for the best paper. As you can see here, the objective is to recognize outstanding contributions to the body of theoretical and practical knowledge in automation and robotics in construction. Before I go ahead with the award, and I will not do the 1 minute, but I will give you a little bit of suspense here, I want to recognize the effort of the area chairs. We have 19 area chairs. Many of them are local. So those of you here, please stand up, and a round of applause for you. Nikhil, you're here somewhere. And we have also Ashwin. Thank you so much. Without them, this could not be possible. All the review process would not be possible. We also had over 175 reviewers. Many of you probably have review papers for this conference, so thank you for that as well. And that led to over 300 reviews, right, in total. So we have about 2.5, 3 reviewers per paper, which was nice and increased, hopefully, the value that you got from the comments. And we introduced a rebuttal phase that authors had the ability to respond to those comments and make changes and ideally improve the quality of the papers. So thank you very much. The Best Paper Award this year goes to Roshan Panahi, Joseph Luis, Ankur Podder, Shanti Pless, Colby Swanson, Melika Jafari, for their work, automated progress monitoring in modular construction factories using computer vision and BIM. I believe Joseph and Colby, you're in the audience somewhere over here. They're coming. So thank you so much. Again, this was not an easy decision, a bit more on the process. We got information from all the reviewers in coordination with the area chairs, and the IARC technical committee had to make a top decision to choosing the best one, which was not easy because, as I say, we had many very good contributions this year. Moving on, we